What's up, YouTube? Welcome in. Good morning.
Yes, Mr. Gene says hello.
Welcome in.
I came in this morning with hat backwards and no glasses on. That could be a problem.
Do we dare try the data strategy today?
What'd you say?
I said, do we dare try the data strategy today?
Kind of breaking up, bro.
It's breaking up.
Maybe it's on my end.
Can everyone hear me well inside Team Bull?
No, I kind of sound like you're a robot for a second, but maybe it was on me. I don't know, man. All right, glasses are on. Hats forward, baby. I can hear you clearly now too, Grizzly. It broke up for a second.
I was gonna try the data strategy, but it's too late now, so. Too late.
Too late. We literally if you would have done data strategy, literally, you would have 3 points of drawdown.
I meant on SPY. I was gonna trade SPY puts.
That's it. There's no drawdown almost whatsoever. No drawdown almost whatsoever. That's crazy. Almost whatsoever. All right, guys. Let's trade smart, trade safe today, and let's find just one solid trade. That's all. Not asking for the world. Not asking for millions. We're asking for one good trade. One discipline-based,
Good morning.
systematically executed trade. If we can get that, we're going to be in good shape today. We'll be in real good shape. Let's get this.
What's your top setup today, Jaden?
What's my what?
Your top setup, your favorite setup.
I don't know yet. Honestly, there's not a ton that I love.
I might have to restart my computer or something. No one hearing me well.
I can hear you. It just kind of cut out for a second, and then it came back.
This mic has some age, so it might be time for a new one.
That Mike's drinking Folgers.
That's it.
Yeah, we're on my network now. It's 380 now.
Shit, it's the Folgers, my guy.
What's up, YouTube? How's everyone? You all ready for the weekend?
All right, let's get to the money. Let's see what we can get. I'm likely gonna wait for another 9 minutes at least. I don't have as long to trade today. I only have about an hour, so hour and a half maybe max. I got a busy weekend ahead that's gonna start a bit early. Up over 9 racks in the week, real cash, so I'm not super needing to take anything. But
I'm getting ready with the
What's
lunch.
up? Greg said he's looking for a long entry on NQ.
touching me on my level 8 3A right now. Watching price action. Waiting for confirmation.
Bro wants the loans. He said, give me the loans.
Oh yeah, steak is on the menu today. For sure.
Remember.
Bro said, give me the loans. I'm personally,
Yeah, data strategy was it.
yeah. You haven't used that in a while, huh?
No, I haven't. Still people in Team Bullet use it though. They message me occasionally when they do.
Oh, the baby's awake. Baby is awake. I'm listening to Gucci Mane right now and thought of you. Thanks. You're listening to Young Dolph. That's the goat, man. R.I.P. R.I.P. the goat.
Alright, what was I doing here? This is a strategy I developed years ago. Basically shorting big moves up like this at pre-market at high day pre-market highs on SPY. Yeah, but it was Josh is basically short or puts a pre-market high, but it's your position size is position for zero basically. So while I'm trying to reset something here in front of me. If I seem distracted, I'm just trying to figure this out really quick. Nice. Glad to see you're making money. It's getting on my nerves. This is what I'm working on. Looking for more of a pullback. We didn't quite get it. All right, got that done. Sorry to hear that, Colton. Short weeks are good for that, to be honest, man. What's everyone got planned for the weekend? Some golf? Nice. All right, I got it set up. I'm gonna unmute Team Bull.
Oh, so no.
1.8K. Beautiful profit. You're welcome, guys.
Gotta mark out our London high and low. Forgot to do that.
Enjoy. Enjoy the weekend.
If you guys
That's
tried
the
to
best
eval,
feeling.
if you guys tried the eval passing strategy this morning on NFP, it got absolutely cooked. Just so if you tried it and you're like, this didn't work, yeah, it didn't work this morning.
You get cooked on some?
It didn't work this morning. No, but I know people who did.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Watching it too.
I was talking about that earlier. It pushed up enough to stop everyone out, then ripped down.
Yep, CPI is the better day. If you guys are looking to pass some evals, the good old fashioned, old school way, we'll call it, little Wild West way, CPI is the best day. So that's next week.
Midman.
You want to set your bracket orders and pass them. CPI is your best shot at doing it. NFP just hasn't been as aggressive lately. Like a straight shot in one direction. Interesting. We have London high and 15-minute high.
London session's still going, right? London session is still going, right?
Well, from then till New York high. Pre-market low, but I look at the top of the London high and London low before New York session opens. Yes, setup actually looks decent to the downside. London high and or bar stacked. Yup. Gene, what is your daily bias? Short. Getting short?
That's what I was thinking. Short entry.
What do you say, Grizzly? I just wasn't listening, sorry.
I was looking for a short entry as well here. I don't know. We're right about above a level we could bounce, so I can't really short here.
Yeah, I just have time shorting in the middle of this range too.
There's been no. I mean, ever so often we'll get a day with follow through on the orb, but there haven't been much follow through. Seems like we'll take it and we'll get a trim off, then a hit or stop. Hit our stop.
No trades for me yet. Somebody call center up. Is that what I sounded like? This is your 15 to 20 minutes in a reminder, Team Bulls, who's discipline over dopamine, trade smart, trade safe, and stay.
Lord of mercy. What are you thinking, YouTube? What's the setup here? Now that candle, well, technically, just looking at price action, removing everything else off the screen, we've had to move up. This could be our lower high. But we had an aggressive sell-off here, and it could be retesting that before selling back off, you know? A couple things could happen here. It's a little bit early to get a good enough read to take a trade. This type of situation. So you seem to be thinking, longs on pullback, right? That's what you're thinking, YouTube, for the most part? Is this a group decision? If it is, we'll try it. All right, let's try it then, if everyone's in agreement. I tried some longs, everyone.
Try longs, Grizzly?
Yeah.
Grizzly's in the longs.
Nice.
What do you like?
Hey, one broken, guys.
This is a possible lower high is all. And we have that point of control below us and VWAP. We're above point of control and VWAP. We want a new high a day. Or pre-market high, rather. We want to break above that 15-minute range.
Beautiful entry, Grizzly.
Hopefully this rips up. No drawdown.
What do you get filled at, Grizzly?
I got in at 875, a little bit earlier entry than you all. I was trying to say it and I was muted, but it looks good anywhere in this area.
Looks good.
Oh, what was that?
Oh.
We had news, didn't we?
Damn, my boy.
I'm still in.
Just said psych.
I'm still in. I don't know what that's all about, though.
That's just said psych? My goodness.
835, man, hard stop, everyone. If it gets that, I'm just going to be out.
laughing at the trade going negative. That's just the Trump market, bro. It's just.
I know, you just get into a nice setup and rip down.
Like what?
Yeah, it looked great, but
It's okay. He bounced at 8-3 again.
No trade.
Jesus, straight down. I'm out. What can you do?
No trades for me yet, guys. Just waiting. Damn. That just said site.
We tried it, YouTube. What else can we do?
90 to 31 in 1 minute candle with absolutely no news for anything. Just screw it. Wow.
Literally, I'm not laughing because we lost money.
See, if we close this candle,
But literally, as soon as we got in, it pushed up a little.
Some sort of volume
straight down.
And full body down. I'll look for a pop up in shorts, but I have no.
I still like the
close trades for now.
trade we took, everyone. It just
waiting, and waiting. Especially with 1 minute wicks.
Friday on a short week, you know.
Third time bounce, 8-3. I'm telling you, they're playing hard with 8-1. This is the real fight. 8-3, 8-1.
Watch this stop me out and then rip up.
That would be the king of all liquidity sweeps if it does. That would be the king of all liquidity sweeps. 60 points for no reason. 1 minute candle and just ripper.
This is a 1 minute stop loss candle and rip up.
Usually you'll see that in like 5 minutes, but
that was a wild move. It had to be something dropped to trigger that move down. Just a quick algo push.
How do you do? Nice. Yeah, that was wild.
YouTube, we all agreed on that. I like the team effort, but it just didn't play out.
I want to know what no mames looks like. And a candle, that's it.
I was hoping we push up to this reject and go short. I really, really like this area.
Say no mames in English. Jim?
I don't know what no mames is just no mames. I don't know what saying no mames in English. It's just no mames, it's just no mames. That 1 minute candle there, that's no mames.
Don't you hate that though? When you get into a trade, it just instantly goes against you.
I can't believe that, bro.
I guess I would prefer that over waiting out a boring trade all day. And it turning into a losing trade.
Grizzly, Mike Jones?
What, you playing some?
I told Gene you were going to say, who?
Oh, yeah. Who?
All right. Come on, give us a break, up or down. Come on.
Don't feel bad, YouTube. For those that wanted us to enter long, I liked it as well there off that candle. Just didn't. It could still go. It's just you only have so much you can risk on NQ, you know, without it being just, you know, holding for hope.
No mames on that 1 minute candle.
We had like to the final price target was like over 100 points worth of profit. So
We are back again to 8-3.
No trades for me yet, guys. Watching these charts carefully.
I think I'm done for today, guys.
oh yeah, friend, I stopped out a minute ago. You going, Greg?
I think I want to finish my week green, especially on Friday. to end the Friday green. It's a good feeling for the week. Right now, this level A3 and AA1 is our range. This is our battlefield.
What is ES doing?
All right, let's see. Not rushing anything. I'm starting to like the shorts a bit more, but I'm not fully sold on it.
Retest and view up here.
See.
No mentors in here. Humberto.
Come on. Come on. Give us a good setup.
Now, I don't like anything here. That we so back off. We had this candle close like this. Could consolidate and just rip up.
All right, friends, I'm leaving. I have things to do. Make money. Ready?
I don't know if you're that quick, Corey. I mean, come on.
This box 838. Middle
Out
line
here,
is
bro.
818.
Market can really take it from you quick.
I have some stuff to do. The bottom of this box is 800. For me, to take shots, we have to be below 791. Right now, they're bouncing on the middle line, which is 818. This is an important box. Okay. Let's keep an eye on this. What do you
I
say?
hope it does hit Asian lows. That's the only bounce area I got is between this 23,788, 23,800.
I'll have a good travel. You said you're going to be traveling, huh?
I'm what? Yeah, I'm
Are you
traveling.
gonna be traveling?
Yep. I am.
Yes. Enjoy.
What? I have about 30, 45 minutes of trading left in me, then I'm out.
Enjoy, bro. Enjoy the trip. All right, friends.
853, 820.
Take care. Be careful with the box. Play the box. 791. If you want to go short, my best advice: wait for 791 to be broken.
We'll go over my fantasy football.
Where'd you
roster.
take it at, Honda? Which
Down a
ticker?
bit. Once we're done trading, I'll let you guys know the roster that's going to win the Team Bull draft.
Why I'm not seeing it on my charts?
I got a sleeper roster. Don't sleep on me. Gotta sleep.
Bye-bye.
What'd you think about my picks, Jada?
Hey, I'm playing you first week, Grizzly.
I know it. I mean, what'd you think, though?
Saquon Barkley. Jalen Hurts did good last night for you. You got like 24 points.
Yeah, I know, but he wasn't my... I was kind of upset I got him, but he was like third in my lineup. Whatever. Hopefully...
Good. You Eagles fans got lucky last night. Almost got that butt whooped by the Cowboys. And what's going to hurt real bad is when my Nuggets too. But when my Broncos go on a deep playoff run this year, that's going to hurt real bad for all y'all watching my Broncos lift the Lombardi.
I'm gonna follow the Broncos this year, so
Y'all are gonna watch the Broncos lift the Lombardi.
how's everyone
Right.
feel about Archie this year? Texas quarterback.
I got Jaden Daniels for my fantasy league quarterback. That's my leader.
We may get this orb to the downside, Jada.
I'm watching it. That's my main watch right now. I didn't realize. Oh crap, we got it on ES already. I didn't realize that.
I didn't either.
Damn, it's paying.
Oh yeah, I see it now on Spy too. Perfect on Spy.
I literally wasn't even watching it. Damn, that's on me. It would have had too much risk likely for that candle. This is a weird candle, but maybe on the next candle. Damn. Yeah, I definitely missed that ES one. Whoops.
I still want one more trade, man. I was so close to ending this short week green. Short weeks are typically break even type of weeks for me. One more good trade.
Come on, give us an A+ setup. Oh, not bad. We got 10 seconds till this next 5-minute close. It's almost like looks like a reversal candle. What's the letter? 806, 22.
I had to close inside that 15-minute range.
505. And thinking about some longs. I'm gonna see how these next few candles form, but with this aggressive wick up here, if we can make another higher low here, we'll see. I'm not in anything yet, but I'd like to see us make a higher low in here and then use this low as our stop. But if we make a new low in this candle, that invalidates it, which it looks like it might. Looks like it might.
This candle just needs to chill out.
What's that?
Just needed to chill out.
Yep, and
Low a day.
and no trades, just so you guys are aware. The setup just got invalidated. Oh my goodness, very invalidated. Very, extremely invalidated.
Just touched my bounce area, but I'm hesitant to try longs.
We're 4 minutes away from our next 5-minute close too. 15 minutes, not showing a whole lot.
I hope that new strategy takes trades today. It is hooked to cash account. First day back on the cash account, so we'll see. For the automated strategy.
That's interesting to let's see how this 15-minute candle plays out. I don't trust price action yet. Just waiting.
What was that, Honda? What did you see the point of control on? Which on was it? The today's point of control? What ticker was it? I just want
What do you think,
to look.
Gene? Can we keep falling? Low-key kind of thinking the same.
Yeah, that's today's point of control. Nice entry though, Honda.
Well, if we get an orb confirmation here, we can wait for. I'd rather us close around here. The high of this candle is 837, 855. So we could look for a pop up into this zone and then look for a short entry back down if we confirm. If we confirm, that's a big if.
I was green for the week, and that trade we took there nearly put me at break even. I got too hyped over yesterday this morning, I guess.
One more minute till next 5-minute candle.
I'm gonna take one more trade today if we confirm, you two. One more.
$38, $822. Not the volume that I really wanted to see on that 5-minute, but I'm still open to looking for a pop back up and short entry down. We got 800, 838.
Well, I was about to go short there. Didn't push up enough.
Yep, I wanted to see a pop up, a short into the
Jesus.
previously closed too, but we didn't get it. That is exactly what I was looking for too. It's honestly not my favorite setup with volume, but it's pretty low risk, especially if we get closer to 820. If we stops above like 840, only 20 points or so of risk. It's not extremely risky, which is good.
Stomach is growling. Can you all hear my stomach? It's like going crazy.
Come on, give me a little more pop to go short. No, that's not the pop. We're looking for a pop up, not pop down.
I'm looking for a couple of things here. Possible short entry or a solid reversal candle down around pre-market low. But we have to break pre-market low for it to be valid.
Don't. Seriously, no decent pop up. Really? NQ. It's like that, bro.
Should have took the data strategy, huh?
Come on, go try out some more buyers up here.
Yeah.
Go try out some more buyers.
What's that put me on the week so far?
More buyers. Come on, other live streams of non-discipline over dopamine traders. Buy us up to 820. So we can go short. With good risk reward.
Data strategy had been it, Hobbs. But I agree with you. It looked great for that move up. It just didn't happen.
Nvidia's having a tough day, a real tough day. That's what's driving the sell-off. I just see more of a pop-up. We haven't had any sort of real pop-up. No mames, bro. No mames, dude. No pop-up whatsoever. Not even close. Like at 810, could have had something. No mames, Gene. We're gonna test London low, pre-market low, and then the setup's gonna be inbound. Wow.
We're just gonna start trading with Grizzology.
Wow.
YouTube. It's been printing this week. Literally missed like one trade. Had one losing trade. On the NQ at least.
It's annoying missing that, or not even missing it per se, but just not having the opportunity to join it. But I'd rather wait and stay patient on my system than force the setup. Because over time, when I force setups, I'm going to lose. We definitely want to test these data lows, though. I just wanted to see a bit more move up here on screen share. Let me find my tool. I wanted to see a move up into this whole area. We didn't get it. I wanted to actually just a little higher. I wanted to see us at like 810. This is what I wanted to see. And now we're going to go test these lows, and I'm not going to get enough. Not getting the damn thing. That hurts.
I don't want to have FOMO, but I'm having a little bit right now.
Yeah,
the data strategy would have been it. Just shoulda, woulda, coulda.
I'm a little frustrated too. Not in an execution way, but it's like damn. Setup looked great. Just no retest back up. No retest, no risk. We got ES at London low, which is also whole site number 6,500.
Did we break pre-market low? Not quite.
Trouble.
Spy broke it.
Oh my gosh, this wave free fall. There's that one to low. Yep, it's looking like potentially a no trade day for me. That one hurts.
Don't give yourself FOMO, Isaac. Just you had a great trade.
That one hurts a little bit.
Move on to the next, my friend.
That one hurts just a little bit. Not hurts in terms of monetary pain, but hurts in terms of missed pain. So I was saying earlier today, Gene, this morning, I was like, still make any sense that we're ripping on this bad data. I know. What? I'm looking for a pop up for shorts. The only thing I haven't watched is shorts until we get, if we see some sort of reversal confirmation. This is yesterday's chart. We saw yesterday. Maybe we look for a reversal, but until then, I'm only looking for trend entries for shorts. That's it.
Uh-oh.
That's it. $63.30. The potential entry here as we pop up too. We'll see. One of me, damn it, no one of me. Was doubted me. You look for a shorts entry. That was a shorts entry. That one to low. That was it right there. That one to low is a shorts entry. the shorts entry, guys, on London Low. I want to see it a bit higher, but that was solid. Now we're just free. We don't have a lot stopping us now. Our next lines of defense. Daily chart, not a whole lot.
Sorry to hear
Weekly
that, Josh.
chart, not as much.
Short weeks, if we, as long as we, little green, break even, you know,
Hourly, we really don't
I'm
have
happy.
any
Next week we'll
support,
crush
so,
it.
like, 550.
All right, Team Boy, I have a question for you all. Let's see who's right. What time does the Asian session open and close? What time's the London session open and close? Let's see. Be specific. Which one?
More 10.
Yeah, London's still open.
You think Grizzly, you like anything else?
It's not giving us no entry. I was hesitant to try to take a trend entry there, so.
It's the high here, 33. There's a little cap battle looking for a pop up to like 7. Ish. We just have had such an aggressive move. So the 700-ish area doesn't look horrible with stops above the 734. Shoot,
That also would be chasing Witty for my style, my trading plan.
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's see if we have any type of reversal candle in this area. If not, we'll just
Guys, remember, no trying to catch
no
the
trades.
bottom until there's a clear sign of reversal. Always remember that. No trying to catch the bottom or tops until you have a clear sign of reversal. Whenever you get that itch to try to catch bottoms or tops, yes, it might work out once, twice, or 3 times. Just over time, you're gonna get cooked. If you see a clear sign of reversal, then I'm all right with you trying reversals. Only if you have clear sign.
I don't mind the grid lines. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding. Occasionally, Nick.
Getting a haircut today. Y'all want me to stay on streaming with y'all while I get my haircut, or check it out? Should we catch a fade in a trade? Trades and fades? It's usually FOMC days in the past.
Get Tesla. All right, I'll check it out in front of me real quick.
I'm not going to lunch today, Slower. I'm going to be traveling today. That's why I'm getting off a little early. Where is this bar? Where's my barber, speaking of which? Gene's my barber. Actually, you know what? You guys are right. Gene's my barber. Only thing that I like as of now is still shorts on pops. That's it.
I don't like Tesla for a trade.
Jadon, bro, big ups to your teaching, bro. This has been a long journey. Let's go.
Jesus. What was that about? There we go. There we go. It is going wild, isn't it, Michael? It's nailing shorts. Or, actually, I haven't looked, but it's winning. I'm not in a trade. Not right now. I took a loss on. We had a group trade here on YouTube. Got people's inputs. Majority of people in the chat wanted to try longs here, so we got in, and it come down to stopping us out here. Now this candle here, if we get some volume, you know what indicator would be good for a day like today? Is the ATR oscillator. I've been wanting to see how he react to this previous day point of controls. I don't think I've seen it happen since the update. Daniel, I'm looking for a reversal candle to actually try some longs. But if we don't get a nice high volume reversal candle like yesterday, there'll be no more trades. That's the only reason I'm still on here. You want an example of a high volume reversal candle? Look at the yesterday. Right here's an example. It's on 5 minute, yeah. Dang, took a bigger loss on that first trade than I thought. $1,000. Which I made right at 2,000 yesterday. I'll look at my weekly P&L, see where we're at. Not really, because we've had some big moves this week. Look at a move up yesterday. Close of it. A lot of the bots putting in the work. I'm telling you. feel that. Have you taken a trade, Jetta?
I'm not. Only thing I've liked so far was that initial break of the orb and then the one to low test. Besides that, I have no setups. No setups. Just wait for pops. Pops on the pops up for shorts.
Oh, I feel that. Taking a loss for sure, CDP. Hands down.
Trades and fades, baby. That's what we're doing. Trades and fades.
Well, I mean, it goes both ways, I guess. A trade I didn't manage well really bothers me, you know? But if I follow my plan that I've had for, this entire time we've traded together, no, it doesn't bother me. A lot of times I'll just change, like not look at the chart, go to something else, go for a walk, whatever, get your mind off of it. Let's be honest, Hobbs. Anything this market's a little iffy on a short week for sure.
All right, let's see. Let's get a little lower. 25.40. Then if we can get some sort of pattern like yesterday, that's the only time you can look for reversal. That's it. That's it. No. Oh, no.
This thing is going wild.
No. Trades and fades. Trades and fades. What do you think? What do you think, Jay? Are we going up or down? This is the charts today. What do you think? Up or down? What's it going down? Going heavily down. I said, holy fudge. Don't. What do you think, Chad? Is this peak performance? Trades and fades? his peak goals.
One thing we can say, Grizzology has been on point this week. I'm impressed, honestly. On a short week. Would this be the higher volume reversal candle? Jesus, what a candle. Could this be the reversal? Of course, this candle would be 100.5 or 1 minute, 2 minute candles. This is the only play for longs I see, everyone. We got risk below 23,600. So for one thing, just where we bounce, we're gonna sell right back off. If I take it, I'll let you know. What I thought wasn't quite enough volume. $23,635. What's up? My Tradeavate's not working right. Is anyone having an issue with Tradeavate the way it's like displaying on your mobile app? It's like not displaying stuff right. This is 5-minute time frame all in one. Jaden was talking, I didn't hear him. Well, YouTube, you all know what I'm looking for. I appreciate those that's hung out this long. I'm gonna call it a morning here. Grizzology wins again. But I hope you all have an amazing weekend. Next week should be better. If you've had a tough week, it's a short week. You should have been trading lighter size. I've been yelling it all week, but we'll come back strong.